Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson, and welcome to WDT Media TV. We're here at Cling Cling Ave for today, where the great Daddy U Roy will be laid to rest. We're here at Cling Cling Oval, to the home of Daddy U Roy, the late Daddy U Roy, the legend, the toaster, a Jamaican great. And we told you today he'll be laid to rest at Duck Memorial Park. We're here at the home of Daddy U Roy, and meet the man called G Action.
Yeah.
G Action, bless up.
Yeah, blessings, man. No devil.
Yeah, man.
No devil, not at all.
Not true then.
Rest in peace.
But Daddy, you're
right. Rest in peace. Oh, rest in peace. Rest in peace. You right. Rest in peace. Yeah, rest in peace. You right. General tree, wagwan, me family. Me hear say you right drop out, not out of the tree. Me there so I walla vibes. R.I.P. That mean rest in peace. Condolence to the family. Ya be I can there participate for them brother. Even though you pass and gone, it feel like you there. You left us with memories, leave us with laughters. Your music them solid like movie in a Carib. That song you have to say laugh, not something to sit and give me something to sip. Make me talk to mama quick. Hey, that is a must, so please not lose it massive. Rest in peace. You're right. They represent.
Yeah, man. Bless up. And guess what? If you're impaired.
Yeah.
Yeah, by the way, here in a photo op moment, a man called Horseman.
I got a little juvenile. I grew up in Kingston 11 and thing, you know. DJ upon couple sound and thing, but the real thing, when Daddy Uri sent for me and said, boy, I want to be like apprentice on the sound, because in time there's a youth, you know, a 2 times my son play out, you know, so $40 a year me I make, you see me?
$40 a year?
Yeah.
That's
so
long time.
When Daddy Uri come for me now, he said, boy, he might give me $100 a night. So my pay move from $40 a year to $300 a week.
Wow.
Yeah, so as I look you, I just did a DJ and thing, you don't know where I go on and everything good. So them say, boy, them a go to England. That's why I say, boy, the man want to England. So I say, yeah, as a little apprentice, that's nice, because Josie will forget Charlie Chaplin, forgot the whole works, you know. So I say it's a good experience. So when we reach a foreign now, nobody not did it. I don't see the big Josie way, I don't see Charlie Chaplin, and nobody. Just me and the teacher alone. You know, one big old world, 8,000 people in front of me as a little kid. So all them time the teacher think now, what is little youth you going to do? But for the performance and for the teaching when give you and the whole thing, you know, everything come out splendid. I will do the dance from about 12 o'clock at night till 9 o'clock in the morning, you know. Just rock the whole England, the whole UK.
That's a whole night?
Yes, it was fabulous.
You alone?
Just me and Daddy Rai alone.
From midnight until 9 a.m. next morning?
From 12.
Midnight?
One place near Moonshop, New Cross in London.
Remember the year?
It was 1987.
Oh, 87.
1987. New Cross in London. King Sturgeon, the first time that Sturgeon ever got Europe. Never got Europe before. And Sturgeon was the biggest sound in the world at the time. So it was a great experience for me. Because the next morning a BBC radio me up on David Radigan interview and them things. So from there, so my career take off. So I have a sort of passion for the teacher. Because them man, they love me, grow me. Away from that, me and them man at the school like that. Got them man in the yard, them say, "Harry, you want some bickle?" I say, bickle. I say, yeah, man, you want 2 pieces of banana. When the man they carry 2 pieces of banana, come give you some bickle, you know, one big old doctor. Yeah, I saw them by the bickle stay. So, them man they always different. So, there's a love, you know, me for them man, and there's a history for them man, they know, so them man they teach. And when you say teacher, you know what I mean? Teacher is not a simple thing, you know. God is a teacher. So, if he's the teacher for the music, or for the dance hall, that means that you cover all things. Every youth touch from you, every youth get your touch, every youth get your spirit. So, as me I tell you, say, Daddy right, your body gone, but your spirit still there, your youth them still there, your energy there, your legacy there, and it can't go nowhere. Because you are the king, and you have the best sound ever played in the world from me a little kid until I come have experience so I can even DJ on the sound and sound can elevate me so I can elevate other people. So when you say Daddy right, it just means music. DJ. When you say that right, you just mean DJ, music, love, prosperity. And that's how we have it. And it's true today, I'm put on there. We just say, bless up, Father. Fly up, no stress up. 1, 2, 3, Cockburn Pen Tower, Kingston 11. 1, up move, kick it off like a ball. Boom!
Yes, this is Nature Ellis and we're right here on Cling Cling Avenue. You know, today is the day when the remains of the great Uri is gonna be laid to rest. And you know, we just there show respect and you know, when you think about one like Uri, you think about someone who contributed to a great culture such as the Jamaican culture. You know what I mean? So Uri created his own way to put his message across, and that is talking when you're talking about dancehall. That's why them say what Godfather, the DJ school, as Shabarang would say. You know what I mean? Yeah, this man is a man who is full of resilience. This man is patriotic. This man is a role model. You know, this man created his sound system. You know, talk about the great Starograph, in which a whole lot of artists became star just by performing and Starograph sound. So you don't know, say, right there you know, say, alright, Uri is responsible for a lot of artists who made it in the industry, made it in the Jamaica, and made it to be someone to be reckoned with in Jamaican music. You know what I mean? So Uri, yeah, we know you're there. And you're not gone away because the principles and, you know, certain things, the values that you leave behind and the trend that you set, you know what I mean? Your way of doing things, so many still here emulating it and will continue to do so because you're one of the foundation and you can't, without the foundation, it don't make no sense. Seeing so, this is Nature Ellis. I say, yeah, Uri, you know, we give thanks to your pass through this earth, we are in so much ones now can, you know, realize the great works that you put in and you leave for us to full joy and to emulate, as I said before, and to build on, you know what I mean, and to continue, you know, so big respect. We got the strength and the power to just be the glory, free the dumb, freedom. Yeah, Nature Ellis representing that.
Reflection of the past of the great Daddy Uri.
Well, as I see in reggae music, whole reggae music fraternity is sad about this because, you know, say, when we are talking about Daddy Uri, we are talking about the greatest. Yeah, we're not talking about one of the greatest or one of the greatest, we're talking about the greatest. You know, say, no apologies to me say that because Daddy Uri them set it all the way. We're in music right now, where even overseas, hip hop and them genre music there, that comes to me, you know what I mean? So Daddy Uri, trust me, even first night as a youth where grew up in a Kingston 11, Cockburn Pen area where me live across the road from out this Ellis Avenue, and Daddy Uri live right there, so Cling Cling Avenue. So you know, a stone throw away, and if you say I really grew up to reach to a level where we can perform on Starograph sound and sing song will make sense, you know what I mean? And at the end of the day, when we realize what one, we say, Jah, I give thanks and praise, because you know why? And that is your right thing. And believe you me, see that everything we have good and bad, but we have to focus on the good thing. You see it? So right now, that is your right. You miss. I will tell you, say you miss. Trust me, whole music fraternity about. But may your soul rest in peace. I don't know, just Chris. Yeah? Respect everything that you do for music. Because you set it away. You know what I mean? And today is the day where you say, final day. But no, say you're not the way. You're there with me. Because yeah, my music is life. So that is right. Chicka bow, wow, wow. Let the music play and wake the people. And that's the boss, right?
Yeah, man.
So that is right, you know the thing go. But we say just Chris. Father
God alone can help me. God alone, God alone. You know I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. Just Chris me no fret. Jah is here with me. Yeah, in my every step. Me read a psalms to the people them when no know God. And make it select. Father God, him are the real big man. With him we have to check. Father God alone. In everything you do, put God first. But you don't know a thing go. Daddy, you right. Your soul rest in peace. Yeah, you're great for music. Just Chris. Just one.
Yeah, blessed love, viewers. Don't know. I am Jabby from out of Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah? Uri son. Yeah. Not the biological one, but Uri son. Seen? And the passing of Uri, part of me gone. Seen? Uri are the greatest artist. Jamaica, dancehall, reggae, roots, and culture lost. The greatest. I'm not talking about one of the greatest, you know. The greatest. Because if there wasn't no Uri, there would have been no me, and there would have been none of us were doing music the way how we're doing it right now. See? So you don't know. My condolences goes out to Uri family and we as the friends of Uri at the same time. So you don't know. Daddy Uri, R.I.P., rest in peace. I and the great Daddy Uri have a song called Here Forever. It's an all platform where people can go get music to purchase, and it's also on YouTube and my Vivo channel, Jabby Vivo, where people can go and listen to music and have a great vibration. Today is the funeral day for the great Uri.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I did. So we're in the process of all these things. So you don't know.
Yeah, man.
We originate from Olympic Garden. And from me a baby, I know Daddy Uri. He always rub me in my head. And I say, wow, go on, my son. You alright? See? And he's a very kind person. Uri, one of the kindest artists me know in my whole entire life. I not discredit no other artists, you know. But me talk about me. Uri, one of the kindest artists me know in my life. See? He's a man where nothing not too good for him give to you. Not too great for him do for you. See? He's a man where highly respected in a planet Earth. Not just music alone. He's a man where highly respected, highly respected in a planet Earth overall.
Yeah, man, true.
See? So you don't know, viewers, gonna big up on yourself because talking these things, it thought to make me start cry. And I don't want to cry in front of one as I got. Big up on yourself.
Bless up, bless up.
I've been proud of my brother being a legend. Yeah. And to tell the truth, I actually didn't go around you.
Yes.
While I was away in the UK.
Yeah.
While he's here. But before that, when he was at King Tubby's, I have to dance.
Oh.
When I lie at the gate, I have to dance and, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
To get to go in. He say, if I don't dance, I can't come in, even though your brother inside there. I say like, you have to dance first.
Yeah.
And, you know, I used to do somersault and all these things.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was the kind of man like that. I never mind the singing thing, but I was a great dancer.
Yeah.
Even though I was a old boy still. I'm 72 now.
Wow.
So he's 7 years older than me still.
Yes.
But you know, that's what it is. So God bless him soul and love him brother still.
Yeah, man.
Love him all the way.
Yeah, bless up.
Yeah, man, blessed love. And